what if I told you that your mind could be your greatest ally or your worst enemy? And what if I told you that the key to mastering it is so simple yet so profound? In a world where we're constantly bombarded by noise, both external and internal, our minds often feel out of control. But there's a simple, powerful tool that can help you regain that control. A tool that doesn't just quiet the mind, but transforms it. That tool is meditation. It's not just a practice, it's a way to unlock a deeper level of clarity, focus, and peace in your life. Whether you're struggling with stress, emotional turbulence, or just a lack of direction, meditation holds the key to solving these challenges and so much more. Most of our thoughts are not conscious or deliberate, they're just mental noise. Every single day, your mind is bombarded with thoughts, some from the past, others from the future, but most of them aren't even yours in the truest sense. They are conditioned by the world around you, by media, by society, and even by the people around you. Have you ever noticed how your thoughts often run like an out-of-control river? Sometimes, it feels like your mind is just throwing things at you, random, unrelated, even contradictory. These thoughts aren't inherently positive or negative, they're simply unconscious. Your mind is not thinking, it's just on autopilot, with no one at the helm. This is the real danger. Without conscious control, these random thoughts create patterns in your life that don't serve you. You react without thinking, you act out of habit, you suffer from stress. Imagine sitting in a car in heavy traffic. There's so much noise, so much movement, and you can't hear yourself think. This is what your mind is like when you're not in control. The thoughts aren't negative or positive, they're just noise. Meditation isn't about stopping your thoughts. It's about learning to observe them, to bring conscious awareness into your thinking. When you meditate, you start to realize that you are not your thoughts. You become the observer of them, not the prisoner of them. Meditation is the antidote to the mind's chaos, and it helps you regain control over your mental state. Every day your mind faces a flood of information, stress, and demands, leading to mental exhaustion. This unchecked mental activity causes problems like anxiety, stress, and even physical health issues. Meditation is your mental reset button. Studies have shown that meditation reduces stress, boosts focus, improves emotional health, and even strengthens the immune system. So not only is it an effective mental tool, but it literally makes you healthier. Many of us try to escape the mental noise through distractions like scrolling on our phones, binge watching TV, or even overworking. But in reality, these distractions only add to the chaos. Meditation, on the other hand, invites stillness and a moment of calm, allowing you to process the noise rather than run from it. Meditation improves all aspects of your life by shifting your perspective and aligning your actions with your intentions. When you meditate, you start to recognize patterns in your thoughts. This helps you make more conscious decisions instead of reacting out of habit or emotional impulses. You become more grounded, more aligned with your true intentions. Meditation clears away the mental fog and helps you connect with your deeper self. It allows you to tap into a sense of purpose and meaning that goes beyond the surface level distractions. By cultivating mindfulness and presence, meditation helps you become more empathetic and aware of your interactions with others. You'll notice a shift in how you communicate and connect, making your relationships more fulfilling and harmonious. Meditation has long-term, transformative effects that go beyond immediate relief. Meditation helps you develop a heightened awareness of your own mind. As you meditate, you begin to understand your own thought processes, beliefs, and reactions. This leads to personal growth and transformation. The benefits of meditation aren't just short term. Over time, meditation rewires your brain, reducing your baseline levels of stress, anxiety, and fear. It fosters a sense of peace, happiness, and emotional stability that stays with you long after your practice ends. Meditation helps you develop resilience. Life will throw challenges your way, but when you meditate, you equip yourself with the mental strength to face them calmly and rationally, instead of being overwhelmed by them. Recent scientific research has shed light on how meditation profoundly alters brain activity, especially in areas related to attention and emotion. A fascinating study involving brain scans of a long-term meditator, a monk, showed dramatic differences compared to a non-meditating individual. When the monk meditated, their brain exhibited gamma oscillations, rapid brainwave activity that was not only larger in amplitude, but also sustained for long periods, unlike in ordinary people, where such signals are brief and weak. This finding was so unexpected that researchers initially thought it was a mistake, but after further investigation, they realized that meditation can actually rewire the brain in real time. In fact, even just 2 weeks of meditation, around 7 hours of practice, can bring about measurable changes in brain activity, enhancing focus, emotional regulation, and overall well-being. The study confirms that our brains are incredibly adaptable, and with regular practice, we can cultivate qualities like warmth and mindfulness as skills, improving both our mental and emotional health. The next time your mind begins to spin out of control, instead of running from the noise, you can simply sit in stillness and witness it. This is the true power of meditation, not to escape life, but to live it with clarity, purpose, and intention. You can watch this video to understand how to effectively perform the meditation for the best results. Think about whether this channel is worthy of getting your love and support. If it is, don't hesitate. We will meet in the next video. Until then, keep evolving.